So if you guys were wondering what I was feeding her, because I just gave her a feeding in the last episode there. So if you guys are wondering what I was feeding, basically it is this stuff here. It's not necessarily like a nutrient mix. It's little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of this. Used a little bit of baking soda, a little bit of pH down. That's actually good for the phosphoric acid. So you can put more, drop your pH, and then use the baking soda to bring it back up. And then you get a little bit more phosphoric acid, but not too much because you don't want to burn the leaves when they're taking them up. And there is a little secret ingredient in here. And hold on, one more thing. And then some of this stuff here. Okay. That's all. I'll explain all that to you guys after what that one is. And then, let's see. And then this too, we use the stress coat. This is just to treat the water before I do anything with it. And then all this pH and stuff down here. And then all that pH and stuff down there, just pH in the water. So yeah, that's it. Pretty much the gist of the feeding, and then my little mixer. And yeah, so that's just the gist of it there.